first is Allie. Hello, Allie.
Hey, Allie.
Step over to the bed.
Hi, Dr. Breus.
Great to meet you. Great to meet you.
Allie, what's your sleep issue?
So I recently started my own digital marketing agency, so I'm traveling a lot.
Congratulations.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
good for
About
you.
once a month,
Okay.
and having trouble sleeping in the hotel room,
Right.
on the plane, and then when I wake up, I have dry skin, red skin, puffy eyes.
Well, that's because of the plane itself.
There's
Yeah.
no question
Yeah.
about it. So first of all, super common. One of the things I tell people all the time is I call sleep nature's Botox, right? So when we're thinking about our skin and all the things that are going on with that, there's a lot of stuff that can happen, especially on an airplane. So one of the things we know is sleep deprivation can actually cause increase in rosacea, increase in acne, all of these different things. And let's be honest, when you haven't slept well, people notice, right? I mean, you can just look at somebody.
They say really obnoxious things like, "Oh, you look so tired."
Right, exactly.
But-
like, how good is that?
Yeah.
Help me, help me, help
You're
me.
like, "Thanks. You know, now I
Right.
feel so much better."
Exactly. So we're going to help you get sleep not only on an airplane, but also in a hotel room. So one of the things I do is I bring my own sleep kit to the plane. And there's
This, I believe, he's sleep obsessed.
I'm a sleep geek for sure. So one of the things I tell people all the time is you want to have your own eye mask. Specifically, you want your own eye mask because you want to be able to block out that light that might be coming in. I also bring my own noise cancellation headphones, or you can bring earplugs, whichever kind of works for you. Then the second thing that I also always look at is bringing my own water bottle. So most people don't know this, but you can get incredibly dehydrated on an airplane because the air isn't very good. And by the way, drinking alcohol on airplanes or carbonated beverages only makes it worse. So you really want to
That's
stick to
why
water.
I drink alcoholic beverages and water at the same time.
So that's not a bad strategy, actually. But the final thing that most people don't really know about, but I tell them all the time, is compression socks.
Compression socks absolutely help with your circulation. If
Yep.
you're traveling a lot, they're a must, honestly.
Absolutely.
Makes such an enormous difference. You won't get that bloat,
Right.
that puffy ankles, and
Right.
you feel all weighed down and all
Exactly.
that. These
They're
are
not just
a
for old
miracle.
people. These
no,
are
they're a miracle.
great.
I agree
love
with
these.
you.
I love these. So make
I
sure that
agree
these
with
are
you.
in your basket as well. But also, once you've arrived at your destination, there's the hotel room, right? And what's going on in the hotel room. So to be fair, there's this thing called the first night effect. This happens anytime you're in a new environment. Even if you're going back home to your parents' house, the first night you're still not going to sleep well because your brain is constantly looking around at what is this new environment. So I have two little fixes for that. Number one, bring a nightlight. Right? Now, this might seem a little strange, but if you have a nightlight, that way when you get up in the middle of the night to use the restroom, you reacclimate and you're not looking around, bumping into things like that. The other thing I also recommend for a lot of people is aromatherapy, specifically a pillow mist or something like that. If you use it at home and then you use it in your new destination, your brain thinks you're in your old destination.
Oh,
So
you're tricking your head.
Exactly.
So you have to use this at home in order that when you use it away,
Absolutely.
it fakes you out.
Yeah, and it actually works quite well. So I would say if you can create this type of a sleep kit, I think you should be in great shape.
And congratulations on your decision.